Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the language settings for Lumafusion. In order to do so, first off, if you have the app open and you click on the bottom right hand corner, if you look through your settings and your preferences, you're not going to find any options here related to language. That's because you're going to need to update those options through the language settings of the device itself. So what we want to do is we want to go to the settings option in the iOS device, and from here we want to select general. From general, if you scroll down, you'll find your language and region settings here, and if you select that, then here you'll find the option to change your language to whichever it is you wish. You can see you have your preferred languages, you can add a language, you can change your region, etc., etc. It's a variety of options here to choose from, and that is how you're going to change the language for Lumafusion. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.